Hello guys, today we'll be learning on how fast a breadboard really is to a soldering aisle, to soldering in prototyping. So here we have a blue LED and a 100 ohm resistor and some cables. So we first try with the breadboard and we set a timer to see how long it takes to set up this circuit, and then we'll try soldering and see how long it will take. So let's begin. So we start the timer and see how long I take. Let's see. This is the resistor. We can set it directly to the power, and then we can set this one to the negative power. And it took us about 33 seconds, about 37 seconds, and now we can just power it on and see if it works. So let's power it on. Oh, did it become busy? So let's power it on and see if it works. And it took us about 37 seconds. So next, next we'll try soldering and see how long it takes. So here I have the LED and the resistor. So let's see how long I take. So let's do this as fast as possible. Here's the resistor. I can first tie it here and then solder it. Let's now solder. And that is then we can take the other side of the LED and solder a wire on this side. So let's solder it. This may take a while. You can just coil it fast. Coil it fast. Let me let's see how long it takes. And then we solder it as fast as possible. And that is done. And it took us about 1 minute to solder. So let's now connect the power and see if it is working. And now you can see the LED is working after we have soldered it. So this is soldering. You can see it took about 1 minute. 1 minute to solder and about 30 seconds when using a breadboard. In conclusion, we can say that the breadboard is much faster than the solder iron in prototyping, and so it is worth it to buy the breadboard and the solder iron. Obviously, both have their cons and pros, and therefore, I think it's a worthy price to pay. Thank you guys. See you next time.